Good morning. This is what my hair looked like when I took my cap off this morning. I can't go like this. Here we got one ponytail holder. Look at that, guys. Just look at that. I got that lift in the top. That's what I wanted. And I also wanted to tell you thank you. Thank you for watching my videos. I've met a few amazing women with Sisterlocks this week. I watched their videos and they are new to YouTube or new to Sisterlocks. And I subscribe to their channel. I'm a member of a group called Sisters with Class. And one of the things that is reiterated time after time after time is how we should encourage and uplift each other. And I've been saying, please subscribe to my channel, share, comment, and give me a thumbs up. And so, rather than just doing that, I've been subscribing to some others' channel, especially those that are new. And as a result, they have subscribed to my channel. They've commented, given me positive feedback. And I realize that if I uplift you, then you should uplift me. Or if you uplift me, I should uplift you. I believe that's how women should work together to build each other up. And that's what I am committed to doing. And I said all of that to tell you that when I woke up this morning, I had 200 subscribers. And that's what this video is all about. To say thank you, I appreciate you, and I'm grateful. I am grateful to you and I'm grateful to God for placing people in my life that are positive, uplifting, loving, and caring. This is a sister who loves her locks and a sister who loves God. You have a wonderful day. Wonderful day. Thank you. Thank you.